Hello everyone, friends. Welcome to a new video. Today, as always, it's me, Nolan Trader, here with you. And today we'll be trading together using our tool, tradzio.pro. You can all see this website. I've shown it to you more than once already. And today, I just want to show you my trading session on it as well. In other words, I'll show you how my trading goes, how much money I managed to make, and what comes of it all. All you need to trade on the site is a simple registration, which you can easily complete by finding the site online or via the link in the video description. Let's get started with the signals for now. We have 4 levels of signals, and today I'll mainly be trading using the light signals. Let's get started. Take a look at how this works. We can choose absolutely any currency pair we want to trade on. For example, I'll go with AUD CAD on the OTC quote. I select it, and then here I choose the expiry time for my trade. I'll set a 15-second expiry time here, and then you need to choose either the private indicator or AI, meaning artificial intelligence, which will analyse the specific situation. Friends, look, there's no single best option here. Everyone chooses what suits them best. I like AI Pulse and Neuro MACD. Right now, I'll enter a trade using Neuro MACD. For this, I need to make sure that I've prepared all the necessary information on the pocket option exchange. Yes, I'm opening a position upwards, meaning I've set the required amount, specifically $100, as I want to enter with exactly $100, and the expiry time, which is 15 seconds. Next, we can go to our website and see what this signal looks like. And with the very first trade, friends, we can see that we're taking a profitable result. That is, $92 of pure profits already going straight into our pocket. Let's move on to the next situation and see what comes of it. I'm taking the currency pair AUD-CHF, but this time as is. I'll select it here and choose a 1-minute expiry time. AUD-CF 1 minute, and here let me select AI Pulse, again with neutral momentum, and press the Get Signal button. Let's see what comes of it. Look, we need to open a position downwards. We can have a look. Here we have the chart, and everything is presented as neatly as possible. So now I'll be waiting, once again, for a downward movement, that is, in a descending direction. Let's see how we're going to act now. We can see that at first the chart went sharply upwards, and accordingly, if it continues to move like this, we might end up with a negative result in this situation. But to be honest, that doesn't bother us, because firstly, friends, we can always cover ourselves, meaning we can invest double the amount in any subsequent trade, thereby making up for what we might lose in this setup and earning some extra money on top. Or, alternatively, we can simply enter, yes, another setup and recover everything that way as well. Look, I can show you clearly that in this situation, we end up with a loss. Right? So here, there's absolutely no way to make a profit. Let me, for example, turn on the advanced signals, select the currency pair AUD-CHF, NES, enter it here, only this will be OTC, right. And now we'll enter a trade on OTC AUD-CHF together. Let me set it to 30 seconds and turn on both toggles. I'll select it and choose the investment amount. Look, I set it to 2 times, and for the duration, again, let's go for 30 seconds. I want to open a trade now, friends. Watch. 1. We open a trade downwards in a descending direction. And let's see now how we'll perform together. So if this trade closes with a profit, I'll recover everything I lost in the previous trade and also make some extra money on top, which frankly can't help but make me happy. Look, this stop is about to close, and will we lock in a profit on it or not? It's unclear. Look, things are still a bit uncertain there. We could end up with a loss or a profit, and in this case we're locking in a profit. So, as you can see, mates, we've traded in such a way that this trade has covered the previous loss, and basically we've achieved a really great, really profitable, well, maybe not the most profitable, but honestly a really solid result. As far as I'm concerned, that's enough for one video. So these are the 3 trades, thanks to which we're locking in, let's count, 92 and 84. In short, that's over $170 in pure profit. That can't help but make us lucky. Right now, I'd stop here and continue trading a bit later. If you, my friends, are interested in this strategy, you can find it in the video description, or really, I think it won't be a problem for you to type the website URL yourself into Google search for those who need it. I honestly couldn't care less whether you trade on this site or not. As always, it's been me, Nolan Trader, in touch with you. Friends, subscribe to my Telegram channel. I'm leaving the link in the description of this profile. Bye everyone.